Hello everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. Today for In the News, Apple added a secret button to your iPhone and you may not have even noticed it. Last month, iPhone added a new button to your smartphone. No, Apple didn't sneak into your house and superglue a button to your phone, but they did release the iOS 14 newest version of the iPhone software, which includes a feature, BackTap. BackTap adds a fascinating new ability to your phone that blurs the line between hardware and software. BackTap turns the entire back of your iPhone into a giant touch-sensitive button that you can double tap or triple tap to trigger specific functions. There's a good chance that you didn't even notice it yet. Apple slipped the settings feature in for BackTap into its accessibility menu. Its intended purpose is to give users more options for interacting with their devices. Most of BackTap's options reflect that, with settings to open the app, switcher, notification menu, or control center. Scroll through an app or a web page, activate Siri, or take a screenshot. Hope you have a great day.